Okay, today I'm going to be talking about Nearpod. It's a good teacher-led based program to use in your classroom. It also can be student-paced, but what it does is you are able to put in your PowerPoints, your Google Slides. You can import it into it, and basically push it to the students' computers so that they can pretty much follow along with it right there with them. Even if they're not even in the same room, as long as they have an internet connection and your code, they can follow along with you. You can do it over Zoom. It even has integration with Zoom, over Google Teams, Classroom, and anything. I mean, where you can lead the PowerPoint and actually get feedback from them too. I'm going to show you real quick how to log in and just start creating one. For time's sake, I'm not going to really do get in too much detail with it. But basically, you just go in, hit create a lesson. From there, that's where if you had already have PowerPoints that you have already created, you could just hit upload and it would upload and convert it into the slides for you. Or you could just add one, which is as simple as clicking content and then you can pick what you actually want to start with. And if you do, well, I do one real quick. You click add slide. I mean, you pretty much just give it a title, pretty much just like any other PowerPoint uh, thing. And just like to add content, add text. I mean, just click that and you can type in a problem. I'm just going to do a math problem. And then you can just easy like that and see, just like that, we've created one slide. So, well, let's exit out, and I'm going to show you one good cool thing about that is one other cool thing they have that I've noticed is you actually can go pick pre already done slides with Mississippi State standards. All you had to do is go to Nearpod's library and click on your state, which they also have more than just Mississippi, and then click math and then your grade, and basically you can pick a already done slideshow for you that you can go ahead and start and for students. So we're going to go back to my library, and I'm going to show you a quick example of how it works with two student ones. But what you do is you hit live present, and I'm going to resume since I've already kind of started this a little bit earlier, which I already have one in, so you see it over here in the top. But all you really got to do is like this code that they give you, post on your Promethean board, or they give you links. You can email that to them out, or post it up in your Canvas or whatever. But what they'll do is you'll take this code, go to Nearpod, and the students, all they do is click enter the code, and where it says enter code. And then it'll ask for their name. So it's just that easy. I'm going to go on while that one's loading. But what it does is, say like I'm here giving a position, and when I get ready to change, see it already goes to the next slide. I'm going to go ahead and name this one since it's already loaded for us. I'm going to call it Tammy, and then join the session. And see, now even Tammy has the same slide as we have. One thing it can do is you can get feedback from withdrawal. Is when you do your slides, it has a little button that says convert and draw. And what that does is it gives them the students writing tools that they actually can click and write and answer your questions. And see what we're going to do. And another thing is when they answer and just say, and it shows you feedback. And then they'll submit their work when they get done. And then it even shows you the problem. Well, like I said, if you like to answer and want to kind of like show the whole class of like basically what Johnny did, it actually gives you a share button that you can even share. That's the answer for. They can see how they worked it out, or actually see the right answer if they didn't get it. So that's basically a quick overview. I mean, real high level. I mean, it can do a lot more, but I'm just trying to stay within my time. So that's all.